All right, guys, let's move on to question 2. Okay, so this question is again about a gas collection. So there's a reaction between lead-2 oxide and carbon monoxide, which I've written out for you the equations. So there is a reduction of the metal oxide back to the metal itself, and an acidic CO2 is then produced. So they are saying which of the setup, right, with the correct reagent will allow the scientists to identify the gaseous product and prevent carbon monoxide from entering the atmosphere. So if you look at the setup, right, there are 3 parts that you need to look at. Since the first part is more or less the same for every setup. Okay, so the first thing you need to look at is the reagent here, which is supposed to capture acidic CO2, carbon dioxide. So the first setup, the already uh, concentrated sulfuric acid is acidic, same as CO2, so it will not capture and absorb, neutralize your acidic CO2. Okay, so the first option is out. The second option, this part here, the gas is not made to go through the lime water, so the setup is also incorrect. Okay, the third setup, everything is done well. You have the correct reagent. You actually force the gas produced to go through this reagent. And lastly, your tube extends into a dead end inverted measuring cylinder. Okay, so this is the best setup. It will identify the gaseous product and prevent excess CO2 from entering atmosphere. Okay, so our answer is actually C. Okay, the last option, why is it wrong? Because then the bubbles will come out from here and go into the surrounding, okay, which is not what we want. So D is also out. Okay, so for question 2, our answer is C.